What do you got there, Bubba? What is that? A super gold digit. Okay. All right. Well, you ready to open it? Are you ready to have some fun? Do some treasure hunting? Yeah. All right, Bubba. Yeah. Golly. All right. Oh, Ellie. 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 There's Teddy. Teddy's bun. Teddy. That's how he says hi. The nostril.
Breakable.
Oh, it's not breakable?
I think that flew away. You think it? You think just flew away?
Yeah.
That prize?
Yep.
I think not, because it's still in there. It's very deep.
Is gold in that one? Oh, you're making sure there's not gold in them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just beer talk. Look.
You found it? Did you get it? Oh, whoa.
Look. Right
Oh,
here.
you're going to have to still chip away at it.
Yeah.
Here, you going to use this?
Let's try it. Let's try to get it out. Let's try to cut it out.
Are you having problems? You got to get out the big hammer again.
I'm not gonna do it. Oh, doing big day.
Did you get it? All right. He got it.